Hello everyone, my name is G. Taylor Gustafson and this is Closing the Gap. In this video, I'm going to be answering the paleoanthropology related question, do human transitional fossils exist? At first, this may seem like an inquiry into the existence of Bigfoot, but what this question usually regards is that if evolution did occur, that is, if we did evolve from a common ancestor via descent with modification, and humans are part of that process, then is there in the fossil record evidence for human evolution from a common ancestor with chimpanzees 6 to 8 million years ago? The answer to this question is most certainly yes.
Before Charles Darwin had even published On the Origin of Species in 1859,
we already had in our possession fossils from our close cousins, Homo neanderthalensis. And then soon thereafter, in 1891, Eugene Dubois found the first Homo erectus fossils. And then in 1924, Raymond Dart came into possession of the first Australopithecus africanus fossils. And then in 1938, the first fossils of our large-toothed distant cousins, Paranthropus robustus, were found by Robert Broom. Since then, thousands of hominin fossils have been found and dozens of species have been named. We know that these fossil hominins are more closely related to us than they are to living great apes, because not only do they share unique anatomical characteristics with Homo sapiens, but we can see a fairly clear transition of forms throughout millions of years in the fossil record, which is exactly what we would expect to see if evolution did occur, and it is a well-supported scientific theory. My favorite example of a human transitional fossil would be that of something that's often referred to as a transitional hominin, Homo habilis. Although Homo habilis does share some later seen features in Homo erectus, it also retains some very primitive Australopithecus-like qualities, and indeed some researchers believe it more closely fits into the genus Australopithecus than the genus Homo. So yes, many human transitional fossils do exist.